Hey guys, here's a quick instructional video about how to use our journal. So when you guys enter your trades, you're gonna go up here to database or down here to database, right? This is where you enter your trades and only where you enter your trades. You're gonna enter this info from left to right. Pick the next line down, enter the date, the time you entered, exited, the ticker, long or short, the price you entered at and the price you closed your position at, how many contracts you used, what your strategy was, and what the commissions were. Once you guys do that, it's gonna total the rest of these numbers up over here for you, which is your gross, your net, your progression, etc. After you guys do that, come up here, click data, then click refresh all. As soon as you click refresh all, that trade gets populated to the rest of the journal. Right here, you got your overview, which is gonna show you how much money you've made total since you started journaling, your win rate, your risk to reward ratios, your average win, your average loss, and it's gonna have a little graph right here that shows you the path you took to success. It's gonna give you some more details about your trades right here you guys can look over. Then it's gonna put that trade into the journal. You do not enter your trades into the journal. You only enter the details about the trades in the journal. Put why you took the trade, the emotions you were feeling behind the trade. You can put a screenshot of the trade. And then you can also put notes of the individual trades over here on the right-hand side as well. Put all that information here so you always know what's going on with your head, why you're trading, why you're taking the trades that you are taking. And then once you enter your stuff into that database initially, it's also going to put it into the calendar over here. We just got this made, so I just started recording my trades here in October. But when you enter that info, it's going to tally them up so you can see how many trades you took each day, how much you made, or how much you lost. It's going to total it up for each week, and then it's going to total it up for the month down here as well for you. All of this stuff gets auto-populated again once you enter it into the database. It comes auto-populated with all of these right here. Crude oil is not in it. I added that myself, but you guys can add other assets right here. So if you trade gold or whatever it is else you guys trade, you can put the ticker symbol right here. You can put what it fluctuates by. CL fluctuates by 0.01, NQ by 0.25. You can put the value of each tick right here, and then you guys can put the different strategies that you use to trade with right here. That way, when you enter them into your database, your tickers, they're already there. You start typing it, boom, auto-populates NQ. Start doing it, boom, auto-populates with ES for you guys. So it's just always there, so you don't have to worry about it. You put your strategies right here, so that way when you do type it, it just auto-populates, it's already there. You guys can also access that list through your database by clicking the add strategy area up here. And that's it. You guys can always keep track of every single trade you take, why you're taking it. You'll have all your data at a moment's glance, so you can see exactly what you're doing. And it breaks this down into a lot of really cool ways. You can see, what days you do best, how many trades you take on average each day, your top 5 trades, your bottom 5 trades, what time of the day you trade the most. You could break it down by your month, your year, the different strategies if you were long or short. All of that information is here in this journal for you guys to use. So please, please, please use it. Journaling is a key part to our success, and it's going to really help all of us just do a lot better with ourselves. So we hope you guys enjoy the journal. All right.